Hey guys, this is Ramola here from Ramola's Kitchen. Today, I'm making an extremely easy and quick chicken fillet recipe. A dish perfect for those lazy days when you don't want to make that much of an effort, yet you want something different and delicious. A delight for all chicken lovers. I'm sure you would love it. We start with prepping up the salad, grate or cut the cabbage in very fine slices, add in the mixing bowl, add salt and juice of lemon and mix well. Then add grated carrots and sliced apple, add a few drizzle of olive oil and honey, mix well and refrigerate. Our salad is ready. Now season the chicken with some black pepper, salt, dried thyme and paprika. Season them well on both sides and keep aside. For this recipe I have taken 4 large chicken breasts, sliced from between. Make sure you do not slice the chicken all the way through. Now heat olive oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add the chopped spinach leaves and saute till the spinach is soft. Then add crushed garlic and cook for another minute. Now add fresh cream, reduce flame to low and add cheese. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes and switch off the flame and let it cool. Once this cools down, we will stuff the filling in the chicken. Now stuff the filling in the chicken, making sure that the filling is secured. Brush some olive oil on the chicken and the baking tray, then pop the chicken in the oven at 250 degrees for 25 minutes. Once the chicken has cooked for 25 minutes, take the chicken out. Place some slices of mozzarella cheese on the chicken and bake for another 5 minutes. Our chicken is now ready. Serve hot with the salad prepared earlier and garlic bread. Do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe to Ramola's Kitchen.